In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and passwords. Then hit Passwords and click on one of those login methods that you wish to use: pattern, PIN or password. After you decide it, you get to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Done. Now you need to answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications, by selecting one of those options. I don't want any, so I will go with the last one and tap on Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!